In this video, I want to share with you 4 low competition evergreen war niches, plus 1 bonus training niche that I have towards the end of the video. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Before I share with you those 4 low competition evergreen war niches, let's just do a quick sales update. So yesterday I did 14 sales, $39 in royalties. Today it is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I have 8 sales, $20 so far for the day. That is going to put me at $1,163 for the month. Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, so I'm hoping to have a big day, shooting for like the goal is, right around like 150, 100. We'll see what happens, but usually that's always a really big day of the year, one of the biggest of the year. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. I post my daily sales updates on Etsy, merch by Amazon, just like some family pics of me down here in Mexico. I also post some gym pics. I've been on vacation, so I haven't been to the gym for about a week, but usually I post those also on a daily basis. So if you're interested, links is in the description. And then also I have a TikTok account too, so if you are a TikTok addict like me, you can go ahead and follow me on TikTok as well. Links are in the description. Now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So these niches are evergreen niches that are low in competition, and they're in the war niche. So there's a lot of wars that have gone on over history, and if you just do a quick little Google search right here, where I just said American wars, it's going to show you all these wars that have that have gone over the years. And basically a lot of these you can just type into Amazon, and you're going to see that there's a lot of t-shirts about these wars that are cross niche with veteran. All right, so that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to be talking about these wars and cross niching them with veteran, and even what's it called, niching down even more with like demographics. So let me show you like the first one that I'm talking about. So the first one is going to be this one right here. That is Gulf War veteran. So this was a war that I think took place back in the 90s. We're going to see for this keyword, Gulf War veteran, there's only 191 results. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 191 results. This is what some of the designs look like right here, and it's really just as simple as this, just getting a nice distressed flag, putting some text on the top. We can see that these are selling. Now remember, these are evergreen niches that are low in competition, so they're not going to have like the best BSRs, but they will get you monthly sales on a regular basis. So let's see if we can find a good one right here. Gulf War veteran, that's pretty easy. You just got to find, like I said, just a nice flag, put some text on the top and the bottom. And then what you can also do is you can also cross niche Gulf War veteran with some type of demographic like son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter. Now I'd probably avoid maybe doing anything besides like son or daughter or grandfather or grandson or granddaughter, because it's going to be kind of too old. Because there's going to be people in the United States where their fathers or their grandfathers fought in these wars, and they want to basically pay tribute to them. So this is what I'm talking about right here, doing something like this: proud granddaughter of a Desert Storm veteran. See if I can find another one as well. Here's another proud grandson of a Desert Storm veteran. All right, so I think you get the idea here. So that's the first one that I have for you. If we go to test to see if Gulf War veteran is trademarked, we're going to see that nothing pops up. Oh, it's actually my session expired, but I checked it earlier. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so sorry about that. So I got it live now. So Gulf War veteran, live, hit enter. We're going to see nothing pops up for this phrase right here. If it would just go, come on, man, messing up my video. Okay, there we go. So nothing pops up right here. And then when we go to Etsy, we're going to see that it's low in competition, only 1,000 results. And I really didn't find too much, just like this one right here. So proud aunt of a Gulf War veteran. So you can make one design like this, and you can just scale it for basically like I was saying, son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter. I guess aunt is also working as well. I didn't really have thought about that one. Now if we go to Redbubble, we're going to see the competition is also really low as well, only 274 results. Again, like I always say, stickers would probably go really well with this niche. We could see this first row or the first 2 rows, a lot of them are stickers. Usually these websites, these e-com websites, will put the best sellers in the top couple rows. And when we go to TeePublic, we're going to see this is also low in competition as well. Desert Storm. Now I think Desert Storm might be trademarked, so you might want to just double check that right there. I would probably go with just the Gulf War veteran, and you can go to Creative Fabrica and you could probably find some designs as well. I just typed in war veteran and you get some ideas here. Looks like this one, proud wife of a Vietnam War veteran. That's actually the 4th niche that I have for you right there, but there's also Korean War as well. Remember, All you have to do is just go to Google, type in American Wars, and you're going to get a whole bunch of niches that you can just cross niche with veteran, and you'll probably see that the competition for those niches are low and that they are selling. So that's the first niche that I have for you, and it is the Gulf War veteran niche. And then the second low competition evergreen war niche that I have for you is this one right here that says Afghanistan war veteran. We're going to see that there's only 117 results. When I go to the third page, it does jump up to 302, but we can see it's still under 1,000, which is my benchmark. When we go back to the first page, we're going to see what some of the designs look like, and see some of their BSR. So right here, Afghanistan veteran, we're going to see a 259 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. And again, these are pretty easy to make. Just basically with some text. You can also just cross niche it again with like any type of demographic. So this one is using proud wife of an Afghanistan veteran. This is for someone that maybe their husband, died or passed away in the war in Afghanistan, and so they want to represent or kind of have like a little memorial for him basically by having this t-shirt. So that's another option that you can do. But we can see, so proud son of an Afghanistan veteran. So maybe this, someone's dad passed away, in the war, and so they want to get a t-shirt like this to, remember him. Another one, proud son. You see these are low in competition, 542 in the climate pledge friendly category. This one is sitting at a 4 million BSR. Now, if we go to test to see if this is trademarked, Afghanistan war veteran, nothing is going to pop up, and competition is low. On Etsy, 1,300 results, Afghanistan war veteran, first one right there. Maybe you could do this on hats as well. Have to probably do embroidery. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see it does jump up to 537 results, so more competition than the Gulf War veteran niche, but still low. Anything under 1,000 on Redbubble, in my opinion, is good because Redbubble, it's not like merch by Amazon where you have to apply. And then if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see what some of the designs look like right here. And again, you can probably go to Creative Fabrica and find some type of clip art, maybe even some designs that are actually specific to that war. So that is the second niche that I have for you. It is the Afghanistan war veteran niche. And again, you can cross niche it or niche down with any type of demographic like wife, son, daughter, granddaughter, grandson, etc., etc. And then the third low competition evergreen war niche that I have for you is this one right here. That is Korean War veteran. I didn't even really know about this war, but I'm not that much of a history guy. But we're going to see that for the Korean War veteran keyword or niche or phrase, there's only 450 results. Now, when we do go to the third page, it does go over to 1,000 results, so not as low as competition as the other ones. But if you were to take this and cross niche it with like son, daughter, wife, grandson, granddaughter, you're going to see that the results probably get low like this, 450. But here what some of the designs look like. This one right here, Korean War proud veteran, saying at 122,000 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. This one right here, veteran of a Korean War. You can just see how easy these are to design for too. You just need to get a flag and just put some text, a couple stars, and you can get a design like this. This one's sitting at 85,000 in the climate pledge friendly category. If we go to test to see if this is trademark, Korean War veteran, nothing's going to pop up. I'm noticing on Etsy a lot of hats are selling in this niche. So I actually sell hats on my store, so that might be something for me to take a look at, and you as well if you are selling on Etsy and doing hats. We go to Redbubble. Again, we're going to see competition low, only 315 results. Something like this right here. Something like this right here where you can add in maybe the year it looks like. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see some of the designs as well. So that is the third niche that I have for you. It is the Korean War veteran niche, and again, you can niche down in any of the demographics. And then the last low competition evergreen war niche that I have for you is this one right here, World War II veteran. Now this was the most competitive, so that's why I saved it towards the end. But we're going to see that there's only 934 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that it does bump up to over 1,000. But like I said in the last niche, if you cross niche it and do something like this with like grandson, granddaughter, son, daughter, wife, the competition is going to be down or go down, and it'll be more specific to that buyer. But we're going to see that this niche is also selling as well. A lot of them have good BSRs, a lot of reviews, pretty easy to design for. You just got to get that American flag, put some text on the design top, bottom, put some stars around it. When we go to test to see if it is trademarked World War II veteran, nothing is going to pop up. Competition was a little higher on these other print-on-demand sites like Etsy, 2,000, but that's still pretty low. I think that's because a lot of the clip art stuff popped up. Redbubble, we're going to see 814 results, and there's like some different products selling here, like wall art backpacks, which is kind of different, kind of cool. And if we go to TeePublic, we can see what the designs look like. So that is the fourth niche that I have for you. It is World War II veteran. Now let me go ahead and show you that trending niche that I found, the bonus niche I was talking about. And actually, let me just go ahead and show you how I found this trending niche. So if you go to merchinformer.com/merch-amazon-listings, you come over here, you put it to USA, t-shirts, and just leave it blank right here and hit search. It will take us to Amazon, and it's going to show us the best-selling merch t-shirts. Now, it does have the big companies like Disney in it and things like that, so you can't really filter that out. But if you go over here to where it says sort by featured and just click on this down arrow, it kind of takes a little while sometimes, but if you just wait for it, what will happen is we'll be able to click on this new button. I've shown you this before, and I actually showed it in my course as well. If you're interested, there's a link in my description for the course, but I'll get to that in a second here. So you just click on newest arrivals, and it's going to show us all the newest merch by Amazon designs that are selling. And the one that caught my eye was this one right here that says, "You look really weird. Don't do that thing with your head." So you see how I had to like turn my head to kind of see that? So it's kind of like a funny t-shirt. It was just uploaded, I believe, 2 days ago, and it already has a BSR, so it is selling. If you just do a quick search for this phrase right here, you're going to see that there's only like 416 results or something like that, so it's low in competition. It is selling. Now, I would probably not just do a straight knockoff. I would probably do something like, you know, why are you turning your head like that, maybe, and put like a question mark at the end. Just kind of switch it up, do something kind of different. But that is the trending niche that I have for you. This niche was, oh yeah, so there it goes, 690 BSR, just uploaded, what was it, 4 days ago. So that's just a little bonus niche that I have for you guys, because I know you guys like those trending niches. But it's good to have both trending and evergreen niches in your portfolio. So when the trending, you know, designs aren't selling, you can at least get some sales with the evergreen niches, and then vice versa. Alright, so that is going to be the video for today. Hope you guys like the content. If you like this kind of content, whoa, I got a sale. Softball umpire. Okay, that's another good niche for you guys too, man. Oh shoot. Okay, they're starting to come in now. If you want to learn how I make sales like this, right here, let me go back to my merch page. If you want to learn how I make sales like this on a monthly basis, I do have a course down in my in the description. It's the first one is for Merch by Amazon. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Those courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. Now, I am by far not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you know, I do make over $1,000 a month, and I can teach you how I do it as well. So if you're interested, take a look at the course. It's on Udemy. It's only like $19, $20, and also comes with a 30-day money-back day guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, you can just return it. But people seem to like it. It's got like a lot of good reviews, so check it out if you're interested. And that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate all your guys' support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Next video is going to be about Etsy, so that's how I'm going to do it. One video merch, one video Etsy, bang, 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 bang. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Go Niners.